This is a review of the Light Tonight solar wall lights that we're going to be doing a unboxing review and install on, which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we were going to be putting this to a test to. And in this unboxing review and install, we are going to open everything up and show you guys what you get inside. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys more in depth about it. Okay, so we got the package unboxed and it does come in a pair, so that means in a set of two, so you're gonna get two of them. And then right over here we get a remote control that you could also turn off and on with the remote control as well too. That's really cool. And it comes with the batteries as well too, which is right over here for the remote control. Then right over here we get our 3M adhesive, so you could mount this onto like a wall, or if you want you could also drill it as well too, which it comes with the instruction menu guide that you can see here. So there's two ways to mount this up. And then it comes with a pair of screws as well too, right over here. If you are trying to probably install it onto your bricks of your home, you can use the screw method, which I would definitely recommend the screw method. And then right over here is the instruction menu guide, and right from here we get our solar wall lights, which I'm going to take out and show you guys more in depth. Okay, so we got the solar wall lights out, so it is up and down, so that means that it ambience into two levels. So it'll go up and then it go down right over here, and you can see the solar panel. Now if I press this button right over here, it's going to turn on, and you have three different color modes. One is a cool white, then a natural white, and then a warm white, which is really a cool feature that it comes with. So you could change the colors, so you can see how bright this is, and then you could set it to that color, and then right over here, and then you could just close it like that. And then we have the three different color modes, but you can see how bright these lights are when I turn it on. But what we're gonna do now is that we're going to install this, and from there I'm going to show you guys the finished results when I have it mounted to my home, and I'm going to install it onto my bricks of my home, which most likely I'm going to use the screw method. So yeah, without going further, let's install this, and then I'm going to show you guys more in depth about these solar wall lights. Okay, so here's the finished results of the outdoor wall lights that you can see here. One thing I love about these wall lights is that it was very easy to install. You just have to screw it into the bricks of your home, and then you can install like that. You can also do on your patio as well too. There's other places to put on as well too outdoors, but the installation was very easy. It comes with a remote control provided as well too. One thing I love is that you can have it in different mode colors as well. So you can have it on like that, and I hit it like that. You can have it in one-way mode. Then also you can have it on two-way mode. So I hit it again, do it like that on this side right over here. And then also, not just that, you can have it on the other way as well, which is the setting number 3, which is right over here. So like that, you can have it up way, you can have it downward, then you can have it back on like that, have this one back like that. And then also you could change the colors as well too. It's 3 different color options. One is cool white, which I'll hit right here, and we are on cool white right over here. Then we are going to go on to natural white color, so hit this button again, this one right over here. So it's on natural white. And then last but not least, we get warm white, which is one of my most favorite colors. So we're gonna hit this button again, and this right over here, and you can see it's different color options. You could have it on for certain durations as well too, for like 2 hours, 1 hour, 6 hours. You could dim it as well too. You could brighten it, you could decrease the brightness as well too. And other than that, I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that it was very easy to install, and you can see how bright this is as well too. You could also control it manually as well too by hitting this button right over here. So you could close it like that. It comes with the button right here. Click it again, it turns on, back on again. You could change the colors as well too. We're back on warm white as well. It comes with the solar panel as well too. It's IP65 waterproof as well too. It's also weatherproof as well too, against the snow and corrosion as well. And other than that, I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that it changed the entire appearance of my home. It looks more modernized and just adds a whole new look to my home. If you are looking for a way to change the appearance to your outdoor of your home, then these outdoor wall lights right over here are by far one of the best ones to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.